Using built-in templates.
Templates are professionally designed presentations provided by PowerPoint 2016.
Several templates are pre-installed with PowerPoint.
A template is a group of slides with predefined layouts, colors, fonts, and themes. You can download more templates from the internet. When you use a template to create a presentation, you only need to change the text and your presentation is ready. To use templates, follow these steps.
Step 1. Click on File tab. The Backstage view appears. Step 2. Select the new option.
Step 3. Search for the type of template you are looking for with the help of the search bar. You will see a list of ready-made templates.
Step 4. Select a template of your choice and click on the Create button. A new presentation will be created with the selected template. The presentation contains several pre-designed slides.